Desertification refers to arid, semi-arid, and dry subhumid areas, but paradoxically, they exclude hyper-arid areas. Hyper-arid lands cover about 9.5 million square kilometers around the world. This means about 17% of drylands. Mainly, they are in North Africa and Arabian Peninsula, overlapping with the Sahara deserts and the Arabian deserts. This study explains why hyper-arid lands should be included in the scope of desertification. These areas cover 9.5 million square kilometers. This represents 17% of drylands, and 100 million people live in them. They are mainly located in North Africa and Arabian Peninsula, overlapping with Sahara and Arabian deserts. In this study, we present two reasons for including hyper-arid lands in the scope of desertification. First, the aridification of the climate is converting arid lands into hyper-arid lands. If we apply the current definition of desertification, those new hyper-arid lands will be automatically free of degradation. The second reason is related with the desertification definition given by United Nations. This says that desertification is due to climate variations and human activities. Hyper-arid lands were excluded because it was not possible human activity in those harsh environments. However, this changed with the extraction of massive groundwater resources. There's a good example of this in Saudi Arabia, where from the 80s onwards, fossil waters were used to produce an extraordinary amount of milk or alfalfa. This led to the depletion of aquifers of the region, and with this, the problem falls clearly into the scope of desertification, because this is degradation of a vital resource such as groundwater in a dryland. Beyond considering hyper-arid areas within the scope of desertification, it is important to design specific tools and early warning systems to prevent this depletion of groundwater resources. These surveillance methods should be based on the monitoring of crop cycles. As can be seen, the expansion of these crop cycles is following the availability of groundwater.
This research is part of the Biodesert project funded by the European Research Council. In the framework of this project, we are evaluating the impact of climate change and desertification on dryland ecosystems worldwide and on the ecosystem services they provide to more than 2 billion people.